All right, what do we got here?
We got our custom freaking. Well, it's not a Bozuko anymore.
Well,
what is it?
It's Bozozuku Laguna plate.
Exactly. Looks like a. I mean, no, not really. It's his metal.
It's both.
Yeah.
All right, exhaust video.
Yep.
Stock exhaust, muffler delete.
Yep.
Put some extra pipe on.
Oh yeah. Don't even need exhaust. Just need extra pipe.
Stock motor.
About to
Racing
put
seats.
Oh, yeah. Look at these buckets.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. You know what that says?
We don't.
Nope.
You better tell us.
Please
we
translate.
don't. Even Google Translate doesn't know.
Yeah. Thing where you take the picture of the letters? Nope.
Nada.
Doesn't know what it is.
All right, let's hear this thing.
Yeah.
All right, there it is. 2000 Subaru Outback. Custom exhaust.
Yeah.
Automotive anarchy.
Yeah.
Like, comment,
Like
subscribe.
and subscribe.
Do it.
We still need an outro.
Yeah, we need an outro.